Unleashing the power of the AR suffix. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to embark on a fascinating journey exploring the irregular verb-forming suffix, AR, in English. This suffix is a bit of a linguistic chameleon, capable of transforming nouns and adjectives into vibrant verbs. So let's jump right in and unleash the power of the AR suffix. To begin with, the AR suffix is primarily used to transform words, mostly nouns and adjectives, into verbs. It's a rather irregular suffix in terms of its usage and isn't as widespread as some other suffixes like ing, ed, or eyes. However, it's definitely worth knowing because it gives rise to some unique and colorful verbs in the English language. So, how exactly does the AR suffix work? Let's start with how it converts nouns into verbs. Here are some examples. 1. Beggar. From the noun, beggar, a person who lives by asking people for money or food, we get the verb to beggar, which means to reduce someone or something to the state of a beggar. 2. Calendar. From calendar, a system of organizing days, we derive the verb to calendar, meaning to schedule or plan something in a calendar. Notice how in both cases, the AR suffix transforms a noun into a verb with a related, but expanded, meaning. Now let's see how the AR suffix changes adjectives into verbs. 1. Regular. From regular, happening or done often, usual, we get to regular, which means to make something regular or consistent. 2. Particular. From particular, specific or special, we derive to particular, meaning to specify or detail something. Again, notice the transformation from an adjective into a verb that carries an extended meaning based on the original adjective. Let's now see these AR verbs in action. 1. The economic crash will beggar many small businesses. 2. Please calendar our meeting for next Tuesday. 3. We need to regular our sleeping patterns. 4. He wants to particular the terms of the contract. And that wraps up our exploration of the irregular verb-forming suffix, AR. As you can see, while it's not the most common suffix, it certainly adds a layer of richness to your vocabulary and allows for some interesting linguistic transformations. So go ahead, start experimenting with the AR suffix in your conversations and writings. Until next time, happy learning, and don't forget to make English your own.